Hi guys, it's Amesor here once again and welcome to my channel. I know it's been a while now and I'm sorry for that, but in today's video we'll be unboxing and making a short review about the letterboard that I recently purchased online. I will just put all the details in the description box just in case you're interested, like how much does it cost and where did I buy it. I know this is not something new to all, and you can see this one around. This letterboard is quite famous and versatile because you can put everything on it, like your thoughts, messages, or details of some events, presentations, or portraits. So here's the product that I got. It's called Party with Emma letterboard, and let's see how does it look like. all for today's content, guys. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already, and don't forget to ring the notification bell for you to be updated once I upload a new video. And don't forget to comment down below for any feedbacks or any suggestions for new videos. And again, thank you for watching this video, and see you again next time. Bye!